They have won for the Delaware County Whole Young Authors Contest, and they don't know it. We're going to stop right out here at Mrs. Ladiak's room, also known as Bunnyville. She has not one, but 2 winners. They don't know who they are yet, Mrs.
I am so excited.
All right, let's see if we'll find a little bit of an interruption.
Let's begin.
Let's go in. Hi. Excuse me, Mrs. Ladiak, but we're here today for a special reason. My friend Mrs. Strout, better known as the principal here at Concord School, has some prizes to award 2 students in Mrs. Ladiak's class.
Ooh.
Many people here were chosen as the young authors for Concord School, but 2 of you had a piece of writing that went on to the county level and were winners. 2 people here won out of all the schools in Delaware County for 1st grade. All right, I wonder who it's going to be. All right, our first winner is Isha. Woo! Come on, Isha! Here she is. Your story was picked as one of the best written of all of 1st grade.
Yay! Yeah, that's exciting.
Oh, right.
Boys and girls, let's give her a nice round of applause.
Woo!
Oh, this is fantastic.
All right, you can hold.
Can't wait till next week. Then you get your another prize.
All right, next week you're gonna have a biggest. I wonder who's the next winner gonna be. Oh, I think your classmates already know Ennis. Woo!
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Ennis. Your story was picked as a winner.
And next week, you're going to be honored at the assembly in front of all of the 1st graders. Good job.
Yeah, all right, Ennis. Okay, and we are on our way to Mrs. Barber's class.
Oh, they are going to be so surprised.
I can't wait. Pretending like we're out here. Let's take a look in.
Here we are outside Mrs. Barber's class to surprise one of our award winners.
I hope they're surprised. Let's go in. Let's see what they're doing. I think we should. Oh my goodness, Mrs. Barber. What's going on? Can we interrupt for a minute? It looks like you're doing a really cool science lesson, but we have something pretty cool to announce as well. How many people here like writing? How many people here got submitted for the Young Authors Contest? Ooh, well, one of those people is getting honored as a winner for all of 1st grade in the whole county. Out of lots and lots of schools, Concord had 3 winners, and one of them is right here in this classroom. Should we say who it is?
Yeah!
Girls, it's you!
Congratulations. Now, next week, you're going to be honored at the assembly with all of the 1st graders here at Concord. So, congratulations.
Awesome
Great
job.